So, what do you need to do today?
I'm already doing it. I'm trying to figure out how this goes together.
Well, I need to go to Watertown and get a camcorder bag, and let's see what else. I got a couple firecrackers. Want to blow something up?
Just throw them down the road and overdrive.
So these ones, big boxes. I want to say for the 4th of July, but today, let's do. These would be better to do during the day. The rocket. This one, a big parachute comes out. Did you ever do one like that?
No.
These things.
What are those? Roman candles?
I don't know. No, I didn't get any Roman candles.
Mini cigars?
You think we can blow this up with an M60?
Probably not, but let's do it anyways.
We need some other stuff to blow up too.
Like a sandwich? No, too late. Never mind.
So now we're at Hannaford, looking for stuff to blow up with M60s. This is what we got so far. What's this called? An avocado?
Lemon?
Maybe.
What's your future say?
We got some tomatoes. I don't even know what this is. Pepper?
No, that's an oddly shaped apple.
Yeah, let's get some apples. What color? Red ones? I mean green ones?
You might as well. It's tradition. I think it was gonna light even. And I lit it, it didn't light at all. And it fucking
Just went right into a freaking silo.
that was worth it. What is that?
I don't even know what to do with these.
Pinwheel of death. I think you're supposed to light it and just whip it as hard as you can.
What are you supposed to do with it?
I have no idea. Wow, that really that really did the trick.
I stuck it in the bottom like this and then just lit it. The tube is like my hand. You'll figure it out.
Probably not. What if I light it upside down? What do you think will happen? Nothing. Shit, fell out again.
Oh man!
That was worth it.
Oh!
Oh, look at the seagull! Seagull got blown off the path. It's really amazing when you light that wick how fast it goes. You have like 2 seconds.
Well, this is all the stuff that we have to blow up. Some apples, some beer. Want to do that whipped cream first? Yeah. Oh god.
This is the worst idea I've ever done in a while.
And then yeah, just do it like that. Alright.
We got like 4 seconds to run.
What was that? So the M60s suck. They're really wimpy, so hopefully these will be a little bit better.
Homemade cannonballs. What will they think of next? Oh, those are quite loud and big.
That burned my hand a little bit.
That's it? That's pretty good.
Where'd it go? So, you think the cops are gonna come?
Yeah, probably. Run! It sounds like a sonic boom to everywhere.
Maybe we should get out of here before cops come.
Probably.
Just like 10 more though.
Okay. That doesn't shoot this way.
Oh god.